What's up, stacking community? Mississippi Metals here, and today I got something a little different for you. I wanted to talk about coin education. Have you ever wanted to know more about coins? Have you ever ran into somebody at a coin shop or a coin show that just knows so much about coins? How do they get that knowledge? How do they acquire that? Well, first of all, experience is one way, but there's got to be a way to learn more about coins. There's so much information when it comes into dates and mintages and mint marks and eras. How do you learn more? Where do you go to get this education? You know how helpful it would be to be able to walk into a coin shop and know, is this Morgan worth $40 or is it worth $400? That would really help you. So today I wanted to talk about different sources of coin education. And I'm going to break it down into three categories. Category 1 is going to be print. Category 2 is going to be online. And then category 3 will be social media. So here we go. We're going to break this down into the three categories, and away we go. Okay, first up in print is going to be the Red Book, of course. This is a must for any stacker or collector. So this is going to be a guide for all U.S. coins. It's going to list them in order from pennies up to dimes, up to quarters, up to $half, and it is so crucial. Not only does it show you pictures of each coin, it'll show you where your mint marks should be, it'll show you the different types of each coin, and it will place a value on each coin depending on the condition. And it goes, like I said, into every United States coin minted up to date, all your quarters. It even does your silver bullion, all your silver eagles. It'll also go into all your gold bullion, all different types. It also has really cool articles and information about each coin. Again, very crucial, a must-have for any stacker or collector, the Red Book. Pick one up, man. They're only about $15 to $18. Something you really got to have. All right, next up is my copy of the Numitist. So I'm a member of the ANA, American Numismatic Association. We'll talk about them a little bit further, but once you're a member, you get your subscription of the Numitist, and it is a coin collector magazine. Each month you get a new edition, and it has different topics each month. Really cool articles on coins. One thing I really like is each month they will have a article on fake coins that are out there. So really helps you educate on fake coins that are out there that you need to watch out for. Ancient coins, you name it. It has education for any type of stacker or collector out there. Really like the Numitist. All right, next up is, first up for online sources is the American Numismatic Association website, and they are a wealth of knowledge, from events to tools and resources to the museum, and then the Numitist magazine that I spoke about earlier. But just to go over a few things real quick, live online webinars, avoiding numismatic nightmares. So this particular website has a huge wealth of information. Online webinars, seminars, you name it. Let's just take a look at a few of their webinars real quick. So Jeff Pritchard, lifelong numismatist, retired financial planner. He is going to be giving a class on estates and tax strategies when it's time to sell or bequeath your collection? So that's a big question for a lot of us. So that, imagine how beneficial that could be to do that webinar. Um, Works of art, large size silver certificates by this gentleman here, Phil Vitale. He looks like he knows his stuff, don't he? And then there's just plenty more webinars that you could attend on this website. Let's go back one more time and see what this money museum is. All right, here we go. Culture, science, history, art, history of money. So again, I'm not going to go into all this, but virtual exhibits and virtual tours of a money museum, that sounds like that could be very beneficial to your coin education. All right, we're going to go now to a different website. Okay, here we are at PCGS's website, and they are so crucial because people like them and NGC, when you have a coin that's in one of their holders, they're going to have a serial number, and you can pop it in to their verifier and make sure it is what it's supposed to be. So I have the number right here for a 2022 Silver Eagle proof. So we're going to put the number in right here, and we're going to verify. All right, so it is a 2022 W West Point Silver Eagle First Strike Proof 70 Cameo, and it is what it says it is. So you can see how beneficial it would be to be a member of PCGS or NGC. Now, you don't have to be a member to search their coins, but they do have, again, wealth of knowledge if you are a member. And if you ever want to submit a coin, you definitely have to be a member. And but along with being a member comes lots of other benefits. So PCGS and NGC are other great resources for coin education. All right, category 3, social media. So YouTube, right? YouTube is a great place for coin education. Now, there are a lot of channels out there that are more, just for fun, social media, kind of, laughing it up, just kind of having fun, and there's nothing wrong with that. That is a great part of social media. But there are some channels out there that are great for education. Some guys who really know what they're doing, who can, really teach you about what's valuable and what's not and what you should stay away from. I'm not going to mention any names or anything, but, you want to kind of figure out what channels, are in your lane. The only thing I would say is stay away from any channel that tries to make you believe that you need to be buying right now, no matter what, that the world is coming to an end and you need to max out your credit card right now. Anybody tells you that, you need to stay away from them. But there are, again, a wealth of channels out there for guys that are very experienced. They know what they're doing, and you can trust them. So YouTube, great source of education. Now, you also have places like Instagram and Facebook. Again, you want to be careful, especially if you're buying stuff from some of these websites. But, you got to find what works for you. You're going to make a mistake here and there. But, if you listen to people that have been down that road before, it's a great way to educate yourself. So I'm going to finish it up with that. Social media being one of the last categories. I don't know what I fall into, if I'm entertainment or if I'm education. I try to do a little of both. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate everybody. Thank you so much. I hope this was educational. All right, guys, I am out.